Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting delicious, nutritious Masoor Dal on your table has never been simpler, especially with a pressure cooker. This humble red lentil is packed with protein and fiber, making it an ideal choice for any meal. Forget long simmering times. Your pressure cooker transforms dry lentils into a creamy, comforting dal in just minutes. It's the ultimate kitchen hack for busy weeknights, ensuring a healthy, homemade meal without the fuss. For this incredibly simple recipe, you'll be happy to know the ingredient list is quite short. Begin with 1 cup of Masoor Dal, also known as red lentils, making sure to rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water until the water runs clear. You'll also need 3 cups of water, about half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and health benefits, and a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil or ghee. Let's get cooking. First, heat your chosen oil or ghee directly in the pressure cooker over medium heat. If you enjoy a richer flavor, now's the time to add aromatics like a small chopped onion, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, or even some cumin seeds. Sauté them until fragrant. Next, carefully add your thoroughly rinsed Masoor Dal to the cooker, along with the turmeric powder and salt, giving everything a quick stir to combine beautifully. Now for the magic. Pour in 3 cups of fresh water, ensuring the dal is fully submerged. Securely close the pressure cooker lid, making sure it's properly sealed. Bring it to medium-high heat and cook for just 1 whistle, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the whistle sounds, turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. This is crucial for a perfectly cooked, creamy dal. Open the lid, give it a gentle stir, and admire your work. Congratulations! Your deliciously creamy and nutritious Masoor Dal is now ready to serve. It's fantastic served hot alongside fluffy steamed rice, warm homemade rotis, or even as a comforting soup on its own. For an extra layer of authentic flavor, consider preparing a quick tempering or tarka with ghee, cumin seeds, and a dried red chili, pouring it over the dal right before serving. Enjoy your wholesome, homemade meal made incredibly easy with your pressure cooker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.